Endmill. Endmill series shows excellent performance in medium to rough machining. With improved coating layer adhesion and chipping resistance. Thanks to KORLOY's exclusive pre-coating treatment technique. Furthermore, diamond coating with high purity and hardness under SP3 structure ensures stable tool life even in high-speed finishing process. Endmill series shows excellent cutting performance with its sharp designed edge designed with a large relief angle and positive rake angle. Thanks to the one-pass grinding method, Endmill series have obtained its tangential edge structure and improves workpiece's surface roughness by preventing step occurrence with its evenly shaped nose R. With application of center match ballpoint, Endmill ball type shows fine surface roughness and excellent hardness in high-speed machining. Endmill series can be applied in various materials, such as graphite, ceramic, and non-ferrous metals, and shows excellent performance for high-density graphite materials too. KORLOY's new diamond coating Endmill series. Endmill will provide the perfect processing experience you have been looking for. KORLOY.